In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders for a print-on-demand business using Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just diving into the world of print-on-demand, having an organized system for managing your orders is crucial. Monday.com offers an intuitive platform to streamline this process, and I'll guide you through setting it up step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once there, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button and click on it. This will bring you to the login page. You have the option to sign in using your Google account, which might be the most convenient for many, or you can enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose to sign in with Google, look for the email address you'd like to use from the list provided and select it. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the option to add a new workspace. A workspace is essentially a hub for organizing all your project boards, and having a dedicated workspace helps keep your print-on-demand tasks separate from other projects. Give your new workspace a relevant name, something like Print Shop Orders, and then click on Add Workspace to create it. With your workspace set up, the next step is to add a new board. Click on the option to add a new board and name it Orders. This board will become the central piece of your order management system, so it's important to set it up correctly from the beginning. Make sure to configure the privacy settings according to your needs. Next, we want to customize this board to specifically track and manage your print-on-demand orders. Start by clicking on Custom and rename it to Order, then click Create Board to finalize the setup. Initially, the board may come with some default columns that you won't need, so let's remove these to clean up the interface. First, tick the checkbox in the corner of the first column you'd like to delete, and then look for the delete option at the bottom of the screen. Confirm the deletion on the pop-up that appears. Repeat this process for the rest of the columns until you have a blank slate. Now it's time to add the columns that will be integral to your order management. Start by adding a column for item ID, which will serve as a unique identifier for each of your orders. Follow this by adding a status column to track the progress of each order. Including a people column will allow you to assign team members to specific orders. Finally, add a numbers column which you can label as stocks to keep track of inventory levels. Depending on your specific needs, you can always add more columns to capture other necessary details. And there you have it, a basic order management board tailored for your print shop. With Monday.com, you can now efficiently track and manage your print-on-demand business's orders, ensuring smoother operations and better organization.